So what we're going to do here is if someone comes here and tries to add an item but we don't have a list yet, we'll check for that. So if that's equal to null, then we'll call what do we need to create a list? We just need this. Which will be this. Do we have a list open? No. So update list name is what it calls. And then in here, in update list name, it just passes the name, which then gets picked up by the data store. And calls set name and just passes a name in. So I mean, all right. So they probably haven't entered anything at this point for a name. So we could probably just be all sneakified. Save list. Kenny is cool. Let's do that. So we'll pass ourselves as a callback, which we can probably just do this. So if type of callback not equal undefined, then callback with grams, else. All right. Cannot marshal go value type. Oh, because create list needs to be create list needs to be an object. So sweet. So created my list, created a read and write key, then it passed the item, then list is not a number. Oh, because the list ID is not specified. Because we're calling back to this. So let's specify list ID. So then we posted this to this, because list ID is still that. Why is list ID still that? callback is this add list. I mean, it should be fine. So this is returning an ID, which is what we're trying to use. Okay, let's go for it. Console. Object is not a function. 28. But what? So list ID is 13. We're calling the callback with params, which should be passed as that. So I guess we can't use this. Alright, come on, no whammies. No whammies. Yeah, that worked. Although network. It posted it twice. Oh, because we're not returning from the first one. Right. So 2, 3, 4. Nice, there we go. So I posted the list, posted the item, which is assigned to that list, got the list objects, and got that. Okay. Alright. Jesus Chrysler. It's a good name. So now we need to send the read writes key whenever we do anything like update the lists, save an item, or delete an item, or add an item. But what do we, I don't. So this is going to be data API list.rw key. So we basically need the RW key for all of that stuff. Sweet, we sent the RW key. So now we need to actually confirm that that's the correct one. So we have get item. So basically post item, put item, delete item, and then post or put list. Okay. So this is going to take an int list ID and string RW key. It's going to return a boolean. Sorry, it's supposed to be this. Expected name. Oh, should be all undercase. Undefined boolean. Okay. Right, because it's just bool. So that should, yeah, built successfully. Some weird music. So what we're going to do is we're going to pass these two things in, check if we get a hit, basically. So let's do something like this. But we need to actually query. Which is where we do something like this. So ID equals that, and actually we don't even need to do that part. So we're gonna assume ref not found, blah blah. And it's gonna pass list. And find blah blah in Starfish Prime 8990. Really? Where are we using R? Oh. Right, because and then so if that doesn't return an error, we should have a list, and then if list.rw key equals rw key, so if they're not equivalent, otherwise we're going to return true. So let's try it on, what was that, post item. So we need to decode the payload first. Then we should have an item where we have a list ID.